Welcome to the Oak Pointe LLC Stair Parts Training Program. Welcome to Oak Pointe LLC Stair Parts Training Part 1. We are thrilled to share our passion for skilled craftsmanship and manufacturing techniques. Our domestic manufacturing company in Southeast Ohio has been crafting high-quality parts since 1996. Our origins are components for stairways, but today we manufacture a wide range of millwork products. We keep a raw material inventory of our standard species to ship your orders quickly. Don't see the species you need? No problem. We're happy to manufacture parts in most wood species you prefer. Our mission: preserving excellence through innovative craftsmanship. In a world of foreign commodity markets, Oak Pointe seeks to preserve quality American craftsmanship. We set out to make the old ways new again through innovation, experience, and dedication. We endeavor to provide excellence in our products, our people, and our customer care. Our vision: to lead the industry in quality American-made custom millwork and stair parts. Our vision is simple: to be the best in the industry. We aim to set the standard for quality and custom capabilities. We aspire to be the leader in design, in quality, and efficiency for custom millwork. We specialize in stair parts and components, but our experience and innovation can be applied to all millwork. When ordinary won't do, Oak Pointe will see you through. While we specialize in stair component manufacturing, remember that we don't actually build stairways. We provide all the components that someone might need to fabricate a stairway. Our standard designs catalog offers a wide variety of options, but we also love crafting custom millwork components. Send us an architect's or a designer's drawing, a photograph, sketch, or let us know what your customer envisions, and we'll quote and manufacture those custom components. We're happy to offer you a quote for both standard and custom items. Once you send us a purchase order for a custom component, our CAD team steps in to draw the component and ensure it looks just like you anticipated. Then, after the drawing is approved, you will receive an order acknowledgement, and we begin fabrication to make you that finely crafted part you or your customer desire. We'll order raw materials if necessary to ensure the final product is top-notch. In addition to our wood components, we also offer an extensive line of iron balusters and stainless steel components to meet most any style preference. We have many finishes and styles to choose from, and we'll help design full stainless steel and wreathed stair railing systems for you that are easy to install. Welcome to our comprehensive catalog, where we celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship of balustrade systems. We aim to provide you with a wide range of designs to cater to different tastes and styles. Whether you're a homeowner seeking a unique architectural statement or a professional designer looking for inspiration, this catalog is your gateway to a world of possibilities. Efficient navigation is essential, so we have included several tools to help you find the products you need quickly and effortlessly. You'll find an index at the back of the catalog, which uses numeric codes to guide you directly to specific items. Additionally, a detailed table of contents is provided at the beginning, enabling you to easily locate product categories. This catalog is thoughtfully organized into sections dedicated to a specific component or product category. By following this structure, you can systematically explore the catalog, gaining a comprehensive understanding of balustrade systems. As you peruse the catalog, you will encounter the main components involved in a balustrade system: railings, treads, risers, newels, and balusters. All wood components are manufactured for interior use, Except for our exterior collection, any wood component can be manufactured with exterior glue on request. In this section, we delve into the purpose and significance of each balustrade component. The stability and safety of a balustrade system rely on carefully selected components. We highlight the importance of newels, which provide the system's structural backbone. You will learn about different types of newels, including box newels and turn newels consisting of post-to-post newels and elegant over-the-post newels. Balusters enhance stability but also add visually striking design elements. We showcase a wide range of balusters, from classic wood or wrought iron to modern materials, offering endless options for creating the perfect aesthetic. Let's focus on the key elements of a stairway, treads, risers, and the starting step. Treads are the horizontal surfaces upon which users step when traversing a staircase. Risers, on the other hand, are the vertical sections between each tread. They contribute to the overall structure. Starting step can be used as the first step and sets the tone for the entire staircase. Not all stairways have this feature, but when appropriately incorporated, it adds a touch of grandeur to any entrance. Starting steps can be a single or double end, depending whether there is a balustrade on one or both sides of the steps. We will review newels, balusters, and how to define left or right-handed parts in stairway construction. Handing is determined when standing at the bottom of the stairway looking up. Left-handed, parts are positioned on the left side. Right-handed, parts are positioned on the right side. Example, if the volute is on the left side from the bottom view, it is a left-handed part. When selecting stair components, it's best to start with your infill. Wood balusters, traditional and versatile, offering various styles. Select your wood baluster, taking note if it is a pin top or square top design. Balusters typically have square bottom blocks, but with Oak Pointe, you can order pin top balusters with a round or even an octagon bottom block. Iron balusters, available in different designs and colors. These are imported products as, unfortunately, no standard iron balusters are domestically manufactured. Horizontal infill. Modern option with round and flat bars or cable systems for interior or exterior applications. When it comes to selecting a handrail, it's important to remember the type of baluster you've chosen. If you opt for a pin-top baluster, you'll want a handrail with a flat bottom. You see, during installation, the bottom of the handrail is drilled with a round hole and the pin of the baluster fits snugly into it. On the other hand, if you've decided on a square-top baluster, you'll need a plowed rail. This plowed rail allows for the secure placement of the square-top baluster, ensuring a sturdy and elegant design. Just make sure to consider the size of your baluster, as some handrails may not be compatible with larger balusters. All of our plowed handrail comes with matching fillet. Over the post newels. Handrail is installed over the newel post, offering a modern and sleek continuous look. Post-to-post newels. Traditional style where the handrail runs continuously between newel posts. Box newels. Crafted as a box with face grain on all sides, providing an elegant and customizable option. Most box newels are used as post-to-post newels, but Oak Pointe also has over-the-post options for box newels. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move on to selecting the newels. At Oak Pointe, we have a wide selection to choose from. Don't feel constrained to use the same newel throughout your stairway. Sometimes a larger newel at the bottom of the stairs, with smaller newels as you ascend, adds a touch of grandeur. It's all about finding the right balance and scale for your unique staircase. Every baluster design has matching newels in various sizes in both post-to-post and over-the-post options. Sometimes newels from our estate components or box newel collection are used to add variation to the stairway design. Most standard turn newels are 3 inches, 3 1/4 inches, or 3 1/2 inches. Oak Pointe also has standard newels 4 inches, 5 1/2 inches, 8 inches, and wider. Now we embark on a conversation about open and closed stringer stairs. When you stand on the side of an open stringer stair, you can view the treads, risers, and balusters. A knee wall is a short, angled wall. When you look at the side of the stairway, you see the knee wall, which blocks your view of the treads and risers. Balusters are installed into the knee wall compared to an open stringer system where the balusters are installed directly into the treads. Shortly, we will review handrail fittings, which are most often used on over-the-post systems. Installing handrail fittings takes a specific skill set. These craftsmen are more challenging to find today. Many stair installers tend to use post-to-post style railing. Many finer homes still use over-the-post, and sometimes gooseneck fittings are used with post-to-post systems. The typical post-to-post newel has a 5-inch long top block, and there are times the 5 inches is not long enough. When designing the stair, there are 2 good post-to-post options. Some use second floor or intermediate landing newels with longer top blocks to accommodate situations where the standard newels won't work. Another option is to use the standard post-to-post newels with 5-inch top blocks and gooseneck fittings. The gooseneck fittings elevate the handrail to align with the 5-inch top blocks. Oak Pointe stocks a variety of hardware to assist with installation, newel mounting kits, wall rail brackets, plugs, rail bolt kits, and more. This is a handrail that is mounted to a wall with wall rail brackets. Several smaller handrail profiles have traditionally been used for this purpose, but any handrail could be used as a wall rail. Oak Pointe offers most wood balusters manufactured in both our 3-length and 5-length layout. The 3-length baluster system aligns the bottom square and the turned area of the baluster with the rake or angle of the stairway. Balusters come with a loose bottom dowel pin and are trimmed from the bottom on the job site to the finished length. 3-length balusters come standard in 34 inches, 38 inches, and 42 inches. The turning length is the same on 3-length balusters, so if you're unsure what lengths to purchase, you can order all 42 inches and the installer can cut them into the shorter lengths. Of course, you'll save money by ordering the lengths needed. See the charts provided with each baluster series. The 5-length baluster system aligns the bottom square and the turned portion of the baluster horizontally on each tread. Balusters have a fixed bottom dowel pin and should be trimmed from the top when necessary. The bottom blocks on 5-length balusters are the same, and the turning length varies from length to length. See the charts provided with each baluster series. For square top and certain pin top balusters, Oak Pointe can customize them to match your specific rise and run. Whether you are remodeling an older staircase or installing a balustrade on a new stairway, rise and run vary greatly from stair to stair. Because of this, no one 5-length baluster design accomplishes the perfect alignment on every stair. When necessary, Oak Pointe will easily customize our 5-length balusters, so not only will the bottom blocks align horizontally, the square top block, or, when applicable, the top detail of a pin top baluster, will also align with the rake. Within the 5-length system, we present a range of standard lengths for selection: 31, 34, 36, 39, and 42 inches. These balusters are limited in how much they can be trimmed, so figuring the correct lengths is important. With today's codes, the use of 31-inch balusters are limited to certain knee wall applications. Some codes are generally accepted in stair design and installation, but every community may impose more limiting restrictions. For this reason, it is always best to contact the local community for each job and confirm their requirements. Handrail height on the stairs is measured vertically from the front edge of a tread to the top of the handrail. On level surfaces, landings, and balconies, it is measured from the floor, landing tread, etc., to the top of the handrail. Awareness of regional codes and regulations is crucial when determining handrail height. Different jurisdictions may impose variations, so be sure to consult local requirements for precise guidance. As a general guideline, stair handrails typically range between 34 and 38 inches in height, but there are exceptions for fittings used in over-the-post systems. Balcony handrails often measure between 36 and 42 inches. To lay a solid foundation for our stair design, we must first understand the significance of rise and run measurements. The rise refers to the vertical distance from the top of one tread to the top of the next, while the run represents the horizontal distance from the face of one riser to the face of the next riser. Iron balusters gained popularity about 30 years ago because the stair industry was stagnant in bringing new wood products to market. This is where Oak Pointe found an opportunity to expand their wood offering. Just the same, the demand for iron balusters persists. Available in 7 standard finishes and with custom powder coating options, our iron balusters offer a wealth of possibilities. Square iron balusters usually have a domed round top, so the handrail can typically be drilled and the tops installed with epoxy. The tread and floor are drilled round to install the square shafts with epoxy. Shoes are used to hide the gap created at the bottom. Angled shoes are used on knee walls and sometimes as an option under the rake handrail. Round balusters may be installed with or without shoes if offered. Our stainless steel series for interior or exterior use offers a diverse range of infill options, including round tubes and bars, flat bars, cable, and components for mounting glass. Bars are solid and tubes are hollow. These components enable you to customize your stair design, creating a cohesive and visually stunning result. Our stock components include 1.57-inch and 2-inch square newels and other related parts, as well as various infill options. Half-inch solid round bars used horizontally or vertically. Half-inch and 5/8 round tubes used horizontally or vertically. Flat bars used horizontally. 1/8-inch and 3/16-inch cable and cable fittings. Glass mounting components. Our stair systems showcase remarkable versatility even in applications involving curved stairways. Pre-bending solid half-inch bars effortlessly brings fluidity and grace to curved designs. At Oak Pointe, we offer a diverse range of steel options for your stairway construction, allowing you to choose between our sophisticated stainless steel newel or the timeless elegance of a wood newel. Should your discerning customers seek an alternative to stainless steel while maintaining a metallic allure, our stainless steel parts can be custom coated in a myriad of colors, including striking options like white aluminum, ensuring a personalized touch that complements their unique vision. Our cable systems provide endless design possibilities for interior and exterior applications. With meticulous attention to detail, we can assist you in creating cable systems that harmonize seamlessly with your architectural vision, bridging the gap between practicality and elegance. In our inventory, you will find the ever-popular 1/8-inch and 3/16-inch cable options, accompanied by the necessary cable fittings for seamless connections to wood or stainless steel newels. Handrail fittings are combined with handrails in over-the-post balustrades to navigate turns in a variety of directions and to provide parts with caps that are wide enough to flow over the top of newels. Our commitment to quality and variety extends to our cap offerings, where we showcase not only the traditional round cap, but also present a spectrum of sizes ranging from standard to large and extra large, with the flexibility to customize cap sizes to suit your selected newels, ensuring a tailored fit. For the design enthusiasts seeking a distinctive touch, we provide octagon caps and square caps with standard machine arms or V-cut arms, the latter featuring a unique aesthetic compared to machined arms. At Oak Pointe, we understand the intricate details of staircase construction, acknowledging that while most over-the-post stairways commence with a starting easing, turnout, or a volute, there are instances when a vertical volute serves as the focal point in standard profiles or carved designs, sparking creativity and individuality in design. Our assortment of turnouts boasts standard options with centerline measurements of 3 inches or 4 3/4 inches, with further customization available. Additionally, our standard volutes cater to various design preferences, all available with custom centerlines and sizes. At times, a stairway may have tight turns or unique design requirements that call for specialized fittings that go beyond typical options. Tangent or wreath fittings and handrail are compound radius parts. They climb and twist at the same time, adding a touch of grace and elegance to the stairway design. This is a topic worth exploring further in a future training course. Let's delve into the various easings available. We have upeasings, which features a 60 or 90-degree angle. Fittings used to start a stairway, starting easings, turnouts, and volutes come standard with a 60-degree upeasing. Standard upeasings are 60 and 90 degrees and may be purchased as a standalone item. Any fitting that is supplied with a 60-degree upeasing may be ordered with a 90-degree upeasing for the same price. The starting easing with cap is used with pin-top newels. When starting the stairway without a newel or with an iron newel, a cap is not necessary. Alternatively, a starting easing with a returned end can be used, providing flexibility in design. The over-easing and over-easing with a returned end are among the available options, catering to different design requirements. These fittings play a crucial role in creating a cohesive and visually appealing railing system on a balcony. Level fittings with caps are used in over-the-post system with newels. An opening cap, 19, can start a level section with a newel. A tandem cap, 20, is used on a straight run that requires a newel, and a quarter turn with a cap, 21, is used to make a 90-degree turn with a newel. There are standard 135-degree turns with or without a cap, but custom turns are available as needed. There are other specialized fittings in this section, including ones without caps that are often used with wall rail. Codes generally require wall rail to return to the wall at the beginning and end using a level quarter turn, 11. Where the stair is open with a railing and transitions to the wall rail, codes generally require the handrail to be continuous, and the 5-inch offsets, 22L or 22R, are used to make this transition. Offset fittings with centerline to centerline different than 5 inches are available for order. Let's shed some light on goosenecks. There are many types of gooseneck fittings, and it may initially cause confusion, but they're simpler than it might first appear. All goosenecks feature a rail drop, and Oak Pointe manufactures them as two-rise goosenecks with the rail drop attached. All goosenecks come with one 60-degree upeasing, some with two. The bottom upeasing is always loose, allowing for custom cutting and field installation. Goosenecks are available in various rise options, including 3 to 4 rise. All goosenecks shown in the Oak Pointe catalog have a plan view to help demonstrate their use. Straight goosenecks are the 101 of goosenecks. A straight gooseneck is used on a straight stairway as follows. Straight with tandem cap, 88. Railing goes straight up the stair to a balcony. Newel at the balcony and the rail continues straight. Straight with cap, 97. Railing goes straight up the stair to a balcony and stops at the top newel. Straight with no cap, 99. Railing goes straight up the stairs to a balcony, and the 99 gooseneck terminates into a post-to-post newel. The railing continues level after the newel. When considering the configuration of the staircase, we encounter various types of turns, each with its distinct characteristics and gooseneck needs. Let's delve into these turn types and their corresponding features. Let's shift our focus to quarter-turn goosenecks in a flat stairway configuration. These types of stairways involve ascending the stairs and reaching a balcony, where you make a right or left turn and encounter a newel post positioned in the corner. Specifically, we offer two options for goosenecks that feature the corner newel post placement, the 81 or 86 goosenecks. We provide alternate goosenecks for situations where the newel post is not positioned precisely in the corner. In these cases, as you ascend to the balcony, you can utilize the 71 or 76 goosenecks without caps. Moving on, it is worth noting that many stairways involve 90-degree turns, and another common turn angle is 135 degrees. For the 135-degree turn, we offer gooseneck options such as the 81 135 or 86 135. These goosenecks are suitable when ascending to a balcony with a 135-degree turn and a newel post is present at the turn. On the other hand, if there is no newel post at the turn, the 71 135 or 76 135 goosenecks, which are not depicted in the illustration, can be utilized. In cases where you encounter a landing and continue your ascent with a 135-degree turn, we provide goosenecks specifically designed for this scenario. The 60 135 and 65 135 goosenecks, accompanied by caps at the turn, ensure a seamless and elegant transition when there is a newel present. If the cap is not required at the turn, you can opt for the 50 135 and 55 135 goosenecks, which are not pictured in the provided illustration. Occasionally, you may encounter a turn angle that does not align with the standard 90 or 135 degrees. In such instances, it may be necessary to manufacture a specialized gooseneck for the specific turn angle you have. Additionally, there are situations where the stairway involves a 90-degree turn at a landing, followed by another ascent. For example, ascending to the landing, making a right turn, and continuing upward. In this case, the 65 gooseneck, accompanied by a cap, would be applicable. Conversely, if the turn requires a left-hand approach, the 60 gooseneck with the cap would be suitable. For similar scenarios without caps, the 50 and 55 goosenecks can be used. These provide a harmonious transition as you ascend the steps, reach the landing, and continue your ascent. Lastly, let's explore the 180-degree goosenecks, designed specifically for stairways that incorporate a balcony and require a railing system to make a complete, flat 180-degree turn. We offer 4 different types of goosenecks that can be employed in these cases, ensuring a smooth and visually pleasing railing system. We have the radius left 90R and right hand 95R turns without a cap, which provides a subtle and elegant transition. Next, we have the left and right U-shaped turns. These turns do not require a cap unless there is a newel post present at the turn. Without caps, they are the 90 and 95 models. A cap can be at the first turn in the U-shaped configuration, 91 or 92, while the 93 and 94 have caps at the second turn. It's important to note that all our 180-degree goosenecks are manufactured with a 5.5-inch centerline to centerline dimension. However, we can customize the centerline to centerline dimensions to suit the specific requirements of your stairway. In conclusion, we offer an extensive range of goosenecks to accommodate various stairway configurations and design requirements in a way that also enhance the overall aesthetics of the railing system. In recent times, thick treads have become increasingly popular among our discerning clientele. Our standard treads come in 1 1/16 inch thickness. However, we understand that some individuals may prefer variations such as a 1 1/32 inches or even 1 inch. If thickness is of vital importance to you, we can accommodate your preferences. Additionally, we offer a standard 3/4 inch thick tread. When the tread surpasses a 1 1/16 inch, it falls into the category of a thick tread. Common options for thick treads include 3 inches, 3.5 inches, and 4 inches. Some popular variations also include 1 3/4 inch thickness. These thick treads are often favored for contemporary staircase designs, such as the one illustrated here with a metal monostringer. In our more advanced class, we can explore the options available in greater detail. Now let's return to the standard 3/4 inch and 1 1/16 inch thick tread. Traditionally, these treads are manufactured with a bullnose front edge. However, with changing trends and evolving preferences, many individuals now desire a flat front for their treads. We offer a flat front option with 1/16 inch, 1/8 inch, or 1/4 inch radius top and bottom front edge. You may also choose all square edges. It's worth noting that the appearance of these different edges can vary based on the thickness of the tread, as exemplified in the comparison of the two standard thicknesses presented here. Square edges are prone to breakage, so if you choose the square edge option, it is essential to consider that the installer will likely need to make adjustments in the field. When it comes to treads, we previously discussed their thickness. Standard tread depths are 10.5 inches and 11.5 inches. However, alternate depths like 10.25 inches or 11.25 inches can be requested, as well as larger depths. In terms of length, standard tread lengths are 36 inches, 42 inches, 48 inches, 54 inches, 60 inches, 72 inches, 84 inches, and 96 inches. However, for specific applications, treads can be manufactured up to 186 inches long. Additionally, treads with depths greater than usual are often used for landings. When a stairway has an open stringer on one or both sides, it is necessary to order a tread with a return. Treads feature face grain on the top surface and edge grain on the front and back surfaces, both of which accept stains beautifully. However, the ends of treads have end grain, which is porous and does not stain as well. To achieve a finished look, a return is placed on the end to conceal the end grain on an open stringer stairway. If the right side of the stair is open as you ascend, you would order a right-hand return. Conversely, if the left side is open, you would request a left-hand return. In cases where both sides are open, a tread with 2 returns can be ordered. When ordering double return treads, it's important to note that we don't order based on the overall length of the staircase. Instead, you'll order based on the dimension between the returns, or X. In future sessions, we will discuss the various styles available to you. In a future discussion, we will cover tongue and groove details available with treads and risers. Let's now shift our focus to risers, which are vertical members located between each stair tread. Standard risers are typically 3/4 inches thick, although other thickness options are available upon request. The standard heights for risers are 7.5 inches and 8 inches. However, we can accommodate other heights. While standard lengths for risers are 36 inches, 42 inches, 48 inches, 54 inches, 60 inches, 72 inches, and 84 inches, we can manufacture them in custom lengths if needed. It's worth noting that slight variations in length, such as 34 inches or 35 inches, do not incur any additional costs compared to the standard 36-inch long riser. In such cases, it may be more practical to have the installer cut the riser to the precise length needed for a perfect fit. For landings, it is recommended to utilize landing treads. Landing treads are specifically designed with notches to hang over the edge of the landing, providing a finished appearance. These parts can be used on the front edge of the landing or on the exposed sides. Landing treads are an excellent solution for creating visually appealing landings and balconies. Unlike typical manufacturers, our landing treads can be customized according to your specifications. Flooring is a better option to ordering a very deep tread to cover your landing. We offer tongue and groove flooring that allows you to choose the thickness, width, and whether they are end-matched or not. You have the flexibility to order random lengths or specify the exact length you require. The size of your Newel will determine the appropriate landing tread width, which ranges in standard sizes of 3.5 inches and 5.5 inches deep. Our standard options are available in 3/4 inches and 1 1/16 inch thickness and come in both bullnose and contemporary versions, adding a touch of sophistication to your staircase. If you have a radius balcony, we can provide bending landing treads for your project. However, we also offer CNC cut pieces that are ready for installation. These pieces will come in sections, allowing for easy installation. False treads and false tread components are commonly used when carpeting the stairway's middle. While some may think this is a far more cost-effective option, the labor involved must be taken into consideration. Nevertheless, it is an option worth exploring. By using end caps for your stair, you can leave the construction stairway in the middle to be carpeted. In these situations, a solid tread and riser may also be utilized. Our standard false end components come with a bullnose edge. We offer different kits for your convenience. If you have an open tread, you can choose between left or right configurations, 8071L or 8071R, which come with a riser. For closed stairs, we have an 8072 option that also includes a riser. Alternatively, you can opt for an unassembled kit, allowing the installer to customize the components as desired, 8079. Additionally, we offer double miter return options, which eliminate the need to worry about handling. The installer can simply cut off the unnecessary end, creating their own left or right hand configuration, 8179 or 8279. If you require risers separately, they can also be purchased individually, 8076. It is worth noting that all of these kits come with risers included. Now let's explore the contemporary version of our false treads. These components offer the same options as the traditional ones we discussed earlier, with square or radius edges. The contemporary false ends are designed with sleek and modern edges, providing an elegant touch to your staircase. We also offer false end starting steps, which come in 2 standard variations to accommodate different designs in your stairway. In addition to the landing treads, our product range includes various mouldings. The return nosing is specifically designed to add a return on 1 1/16 inches tread. Although it may not be shown, we do offer return nosings in 3/4 inch size as well. The false tread molding is used to create false treads. For decorative purposes, we provide cove molding, OG molding, and shoe molding. When a railing comes to an end at a wall, some prefer to use a half newel. This offers a tasteful finishing touch while also being cost-effective compared to using a full newel. It's important to note that half newels are sold in pairs. In situations where 3 are needed, 4 half newels must be purchased. Rosettes can be used as an attractive alternative. Rosettes are available in round, oval, square, and rectangular shapes and sizes. Starting steps allow for a more elegant entrance to your staircase. They're available in a variety of shapes and sizes, in single and double-end configurations to accommodate most of your needs. Stringer brackets are also offered to add decorative elements to the surface of a stringer. While the top 2 long-term styles might not be as commonly used today, Oak Pointe has designed several other stringer brackets to provide a fresh aesthetic for those looking to embellish their stairs. We also offer an array of hardware necessary for installing your stair system. Whether you need standard or specialized hardware, we have a selection to suit your needs. Additionally, we provide several Newel installation kits, with the 3007-316 kit being a concealed option that accommodates both round and square Newels for interior and exterior use. Another popular option is the 3008 kit, which offers sturdiness and requires a plug on the side of the Newel for installation. We have flathead plugs in different sizes, button plugs, and various wall rail brackets to complete the installation. Our stainless steel section features stainless steel wall rail brackets. In a variety of finishes, we have the 601 bracket for a flat bottom handrail with a 2 3/4 inch setback, and the 611 bracket with a 3 3/8 inch setback. If you prefer round rails, the 606 bracket with a 2 3/4 inch setback is available. Additionally, we offer the 3002 wall rail bracket, which also has a 2 3/4 inch setback for flat bottom handrails. We provide a range of hardware options to securely fasten different rail or fittings. Rail bolts are particularly popular, as they are often used to connect fittings or attach rails to post sections. While rail bolts are commonly used, other options are also available. We offer a metal dowel screw as an option to the wood baluster pin that comes with 3-length balusters. We strive to provide the necessary education and resources for our customers. This concludes our introductory stair parts education course. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you require further information or assistance.